Good morning, everyone.
Let's read lesson 1, our environment. What is environment? Let's go through with the definition of environment. The term environment is derived from a French word environner, which means neighborhood. Therefore, environment means surroundings or conditions within any organism exists. What are the components of environment? So there are three components of environment: natural environment, biological environment and human environment. Is natural environment. Natural environment includes the physical and biological elements of the earth. Physical environment abiotic components like land, water and air. What are the domains of natural environment? There are four domains of natural environment: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. What is lithosphere? The outermost solid layer of the earth is known as lithosphere. It consists of rock materials and soil. It is the crust of the earth. It provides the land surface for the agriculture and variety of rocks and minerals. What is hydrosphere? It includes all water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. It includes ice sheets in polar region. It underground water vapor in the air. Water supports life, domestic agriculture and industrial uses to generate electricity. Oceans support marine life and international trade routes. What is biosphere? Zone where land, water and air come into contact with each other is known as biosphere. Major groups: plant kingdom and animal kingdom. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a geographic area where plants, animal and other organisms as well as weather and landscape work together to form a bubble of life. Ecosystems contain biotic or living part as well as abiotic factor or non-living parts. What is a biological environment? Biotic components like human beings, plants, animals and even microbial organisms. What is human environment? The human environment is concerned with people who live in different environments, their activity and the environmental feature which they have created. We also look at the interdependence of people in the local community. This is developed from the infant classes, looking at those who help us in the locality. That's all for today's lesson.